Hey guys, it's Typees here, and tonight, I've been saying this for the past 3 days, that I was going to be doing a video, and I didn't, so I'm going to be doing one now. Anyway,
what's going on with the video?
So right now I'm in my living room. I'll show you some things here. Anyway, so then, I'm just sitting on the sofa. No, I won't show you the sofa actually, it's fine. I'll just type where I am now. Show you something.
Yeah.
And then, if I go through this door, am I facing it? I think I was. Anyway, yeah. I am in the hallway. There's a computer. There. Don't know if you can see that. There is the front door. And then like stuff in this thing. Right. Did I even show you that? Yeah. And then there. I think you did. And then in here is the kitchen. Yeah. My fridge. My cupboards. And then, yeah. Very good. Other cupboard. Yeah.
It's cold.
No.
Please.
No, I'm on YouTube making a video.
Oh, sorry.
Now we're going up here to the steps. My house is not a very big house, just to tell you. Here is the bathroom, the bar, and then this is where like there's a couple of other things. There's a window up there. And like yeah, there's curtains there as well. Just like well, yeah. So you can't see the private parts and stuff. There. And then moving on to my bedroom and my brother's.
Mom!
Now then, my brother and sister in here. So
Harry.
yeah. Yes?
What are you doing?
Making a YouTube video, you're not in it.
Better not be. I just see a brother and sister.
So I'm not allowed to be in my bedroom and like show the people my bedroom.
Yeah, because I'm not included in it.
Fine then. Anyway, I won't do my bedroom because my sister's getting the hump. Do the rest of it later.